Samsung 24-inch, 60.46 cm, 1920 by 1080 pixels FHD monitor, IPS, 75 Hz, bezel-less design, AMD FreeSync, flicker-free, HDMI, D-sub, LF24T350 FHWXXL, dark blue-gray. 24-inch Samsung monitor, 1920 by 1080 resolution, refresh rate 75 Hz, full HD bezel-less design, IPS panel, monitor, FreeSync and game mode to adjust any game and fill screen, eye saver mode and flicker free to reduce eye strain, FreeSync and game mode to adjust any game and fill screen, connectivity, D-sub port. HDMI 3-sided borderless display for all expansive view, fluid pictures with 5 milliseconds response time, 250 candelas per square meter, brightness, typical, aspect ratio, 16:9, 178 degrees horizontal and vertical viewing angle, 3 years warranty on product from manufacturer. Thank you for watching.